What's the meaning of anticlerical? Anticlerical. 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 Anticlerical.
Anticlerical refers to opposition to the role or influence of the clergy in political, social, or cultural affairs. It is often associated with movements that seek to limit or abolish the power of religious institutions or individuals in society. The result of anticlericalism can vary widely, ranging from the secularization of public life to outright hostility towards religion and religious figures. In some cases, anticlericalism has been linked to broader struggles for democracy, human rights, and social justice, while in others it has reinforced authoritarian or nationalist agendas.